Start the overhaul install by clamping the rear of the nozzle into the vise. Using the 3.2-inch wrench, loosen and remove the nose cone from the center and rear housing. Set the nose cone aside once removed. Lift the thrust washer from the center housing and discard. Pull up on the center of the nozzle to remove the center housing, then remove the rear housing from the vise. Mount the center housing back into the vise with the lip seal side up. Use the pick to remove the lip seal from the center housing and discard. Install one of the new lip seals into the grooves of the center housing. Using the 1.5-inch socket wrench, loosen and remove the sleeve from the inside of the center housing. Discard the sleeve once removed. Remove the center housing from the vise with the lip seal side down. Use the pick to remove the O-ring from the center housing and discard. Install the new O-ring into the grooves of the center housing. Secure the center housing back into the vise with the lip seal side up. Hand thread the new sleeve into the center housing. Use the 1.5-inch socket wrench to tighten the new sleeve until it bottoms out. Be careful not to over-tighten. Use the torque wrench to tighten the sleeve to 160 inch-pounds. Remove the center housing from the vise and set aside with the lip seal side down. Secure the nose cone into the vise with the lip seal side up. Use the pick to remove the lip seal from the nose cone and discard. Install the new lip seal onto the grooves of the nose cone. Remove the nose cone from the vise and set aside with the lip seal side down. Mount the rear nozzle housing into the vise. Use the 13/16-inch wrench to remove the shaft from the rear housing. Discard the shaft once removed. Apply Loctite to the threads of the new shaft. Hand thread the shaft into the rear nozzle housing. Using the 13/16-inch wrench, tighten the shaft until it bottoms out. Mount the center onto the rear housing with the lip seal side down. Place the new thrust washer onto the center housing. Grip the bottom of the nozzle with your hand and tilt it slightly. Apply Loctite to the top threads. Secure the nozzle into the vise and hand thread the nose cone back onto the nozzle. Finish tightening the nose cone of the nozzle with the 3.2-inch wrench until it bottoms out. Flip the nozzle in the vise so the rear faces upward. Use the pick to bend the dome screen inwards. Grip the screen with the pliers and discard. Install the new dome screen by pressing it into the inlet until it bottoms out. Torque the entire nozzle to 160 inch-pounds. Your Revolution nozzle is now ready for use. Contact us with any questions and check out our website and YouTube channel for more content. Thanks for watching.